Good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday, June 10th. Got the front yard mowed, the alleyway mowed, and a bit of the backyard mowed. And yeah, car washed and vacuumed out after getting the lawnmower out of the back of it because, well, lawnmower has a bunch of grass on it. The car had a bunch of grass in it. Needless to say, got that grocery shopping. Uh, yeah, got some food. Got home. Got it ate, and about to call it a day and go try to get cleaned up and sleep. Such a fun thing. Running circles today. I got some stuff done though. Well, trash out too. Whee. Yeah, I'm ready to go to sleep. I don't know what it is with credit cards and such. I link it to my bank, and they want to know that it's me. I swear, some days. And what do they want to do? They want to confirm it over? Oh, send your photos over the phone. Because that's a safe way to do things. I'm half tempted to tell them to keep their card. It ain't worth the headache. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. Yeah, this is gonna be a short one. I'm tired, been a long one. Got a lot of things done today, and I got things to get done as soon as I get off here and get this posted and in the can. Yeah. Need to turn, matter of fact, need to turn the drives on so I can save to them. It's one of those things I do about. It's one of those things I do about once a week, twice a week sometimes. Is move everything off this drive over into that one. Saves a lot of space, and that's a good thing. Anyway, yeah, yesterday I got a phone call and cut it off quick. Real estate agent was calling me, so yay. Supposed to have some people coming by tomorrow to take a look. So, yay. Preferably in the morning, but I'll take them as late as they get here. It's my day off. I'll be tired after having worked all night, but yeah, it's okay. I get to sleep all night. Don't have to get up and go. Well, I will be getting up and doing. Why is there always so much more stuff to do? I don't know. It is what it is. As a matter of fact, that's one of the things I should have tried to get focused on was trying to get the hole patched. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I think I might have got this one messed up. Mowing lawns, moving lawnmower in and out of car, wearing white shirt. Not a good idea. Uh, One of the hazards. But that's okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm ready to go to sleep. It is what it is. And I need snore time. So, that is my next my major project after getting this thing finished. Let's see, what else was there? Boss called, said he thinks he's got somebody to replace me to start training next month. Yay. Hopefully they'll catch it quick and be good and dependable. I hope so for his sake. The night shift is not one to have a weak person in because you got to depend on them to let you sleep. If you're the boss, you need somebody working the night shift. You need them to be dependable. Otherwise, you're up in the middle of the night. That's why my boss has been real lucky with me. I don't make him have problems in the middle of the night. I let him sleep through the night. I try not to disturb him. And that's kind of important. Oh, sorry. Active, busy day. In some way or another, I smacked my elbow uh, coming around a corner, and yeah, funny bone kind of thing, but it's not the funny bone. Kind of to the side, outside edge of it. I don't know. It is what it is. Okay. Well, come along for the insanity of my thoughts and processes. This is William Williams, Philippines. Uh, yeah. Lots of food, friends, and family, and again, more food. Uh, yeah, always more food. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Your choice, your decision. Everything in life is a choice. Question is, what choice do you make, and did you look down the track to make sure there was still a trestle going across the gully? Otherwise, your train's going to end up in a ditch. Just saying. Anyway, later blessings, bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.